You know that feeling when someone walks into the room and without even saying a word, they command attention?
Wow.
That's a face card that never declines. But here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. It's not just about genetics or a new $300 serum. You've probably been following the same recycled tips over and over. Drink water, use sunscreen, exfoliate. Yeah, those help, but they're the bare minimum. In this video, we're going way deeper. I've done real research. I've tested what works. So if you want your face card to read 1000 out of 10, we're talking radiant skin, confident energy, and undeniable presence. Stay locked in, because this is not another basic skincare video. Now, let's start with where most people get it wrong. Structure. This is the part no one wants to talk about because it takes discipline, not dollars. The truth is, skincare won't save you if the foundation underneath is weak. Your facial structure, your muscle tone, contour, posture is the silent sculptor of your face card. That's why facelift exercises are non-negotiable. Forget TikTok gimmicks. This is resistance training for your face. Doing 5-minute targeted routines daily can lift your cheeks, smooth nasolabial folds, and define your jawline over time. You're retraining your facial muscles to set higher, tighter, younger. Then comes lymphatic drainage, a step almost everyone overlooks. This involves pushing fluid from your face down toward your collarbones, draining puffiness, and sculpting the natural lines of your face. And once you've done that, lock it in with cold therapy. Ice rollers, cryo sticks, frozen spoons, whatever you've got. This reduces inflammation, boosts blood flow, and leaves you with that clean, radiant tone. Bonus move? Start chewing mastic gum, not your basic gum. It strengthens the jaw, reduces facial bloat, and subtly enhances your lower third. Structure is where your face card begins, not skincare. Speaking of skin, yes, we're going there. But this isn't the surface level, drink water and wear sunscreen advice. Everyone wants glowing skin, but very few are strategic about it. Most routines are overcomplicated, packed with too many actives, and zero long-term plan. It's time to simplify and elevate. Start with azelaic acid, a gentle powerhouse that brightens, kills acne-causing bacteria, and fades hyperpigmentation. Layer it with snail, mucin, and niacinamide to repair your barrier and even your tone. And here's a pro move. Ditch hyaluronic acid for beta-glucan. It hydrates deeper, calms irritation, and actually supports your skin's healing processes. But you also need to go internal. Add zinc, vitamin A, and omega-3s to your routine. Apply a raw honey mask once a week. It's antibacterial, hydrating, and gives that plush, glowy softness no product can fake. And yes, bone broth. Trust me. Collagen, minerals, gut healing magic. Glowing skin starts in your bloodstream, not your bathroom shelf. And above all, stop product hopping. Consistency is what gives you glass skin after the newest serum drop. Now, let's zoom in on one of the most powerful zones of your face, your eyes, the center of expression, youth, and mood. And yet, so many people neglect it. Under eye bags, dull lids, tired lashes, these chip away at your face card fast. First step, daily under eye massage and eye yoga. They reduce puffiness, lift the brow area, and smooth fatigue lines. Next, start using castor oil and rosemary oil on your lashes and brows before bed. This isn't just about growth, it's about bringing strength and symmetry back to your upper face. Add subtle enhancements. Curl your lashes, dab a bit of shimmer in your inner corners, and try a white or nude pencil in the waterline. It opens the eyes and gives that well-rested but untouched look. But here's the key detail. Your brows need to match your bone structure, not the latest trend. Go get them mapped once, according to your natural orbital bone. You will look more defined, balanced, and elevated instantly. Let's not ignore what might be the most underestimated zone on your face, the mouth area. This is where stress, dehydration, and aging show up first, and it's also where softness, femininity, and elegance radiate from when done right. Start with oil pulling every morning, using coconut or sesame oil. It sounds old school, but it detoxes your mouth, tightens your jaw, reduces inflammation, and gives you that clean, natural flush to your lower face. Next, upgrade your lip care. Scrub weekly with a sugar and honey mix, then lock in hydration with Vaseline and a drop of peppermint oil before bed. It plumps, smooths, and defines your lips naturally. In the day, a tinted balm or high-gloss clear product adds youth and effortlessness. And don't skip facial yoga for the mouth zone. Resistance exercises that lift the cheeks and smooth smile lines are your natural alternative to filler or Botox. You don't need injections, you need activation. Now this next part is what separates a pretty face from a powerful one. It's your posture, presence, and energy. Your face card isn't just your features, it's how you carry them. If your posture is collapsed, your neck tense, or your eyes dart around nervously, your beauty gets buried. Start practicing neck elongation posture. Shoulders down, chin slightly tucked, neck long. This alone lifts your jawline and makes your silhouette more elegant. Breathe through your nose slowly and deeply. It relaxes facial tension, improves oxygen flow, and creates symmetry. Finally, get comfortable with eye contact. Holding someone's gaze for 3-5 seconds longer than normal without blinking too much or shifting builds presence. People remember that, even in silence. And finally, don't underestimate the aesthetic choices that frame the face. The right scent becomes part of your identity. A warm, clean, or floral signature perfume elevates how people feel around you. The right jewelry like earrings that match your face shape or delicate chains that draw attention to your neck can enhance your structure without makeup. And most importantly, match your vibe to your look. Soft girl? Go for glowy skin, clear gloss, warm tones, baddie energy, bold eyes, clean lines, statement scent. Your face card isn't just about your features, it's how everything comes together to say this is who I am. So here's the truth. Your face card is not a trend. It's an expression of how deeply you care about your presence, your confidence, your power. Most people won't do the work, but you will. And it'll show. Type face card unlock if you're ready to level up for real. Subscribe for unfiltered, non-basic glow-up strategies because this isn't your average beauty video. This is your era of being undeniable.